Good morning, students. Welcome to Masi Sevashram online classes. Today we will see lesson number 4, Bipin Chowdhury's Lapse of Memory. Now, what is the meaning of lapse of memory? It's a small mistake that happens due to forgetfulness. Okay, the person forgets things and then kind of mistakes. That is lesson's heading. Bipin Chowdhury's lapse of memory. Do you have a good memory? You students, do you have a good memory? Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? आपका memory आप में कुछ tricks अभी तक खेले है क्या, हुआ है क्या? Forgetfulness often puts you in a tight spot. Now, when we forget things, that will put us in difficult situation. Tight spot means difficult situation. But forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. Now, forgetting small things, forgetting is not so big issue that will put us in difficult situation. Now, forgetting a part of your life, आपके ज़िंदगी के कुछ हिस्सा उसको पूरा भूल जाना और आपको क्या होगा? Put you in crazy. Crazy means what? Kind of feeling mad or stupid. Okay. In this story, Bipin Babu goes nearly crazy because he cannot recollect his stay at Ranchi. Now, in this lesson, we are going to see how Bipin Babu becomes nearly crazy because he is not able to recollect. Recollect means remember. He is not able to remember that he had stayed in Ranchi. He has never been to Ranchi, he insists. Now, Bipin Babu goes on, tells that what? I have not stayed in Ranchi. Insist means tells. Though there are many witnesses to the contrary, but there are so many people that who tells that he has been to Ranchi. Okay, he had been to Ranchi. What is this? What is the suspense all about? Now, what is the suspense about all these things? Suspense means a kind of excitement. Now, we will see the lesson, then we will know about this excitement. Now, part 1. We are going to see the lessons part 1. Every Monday on his way back from work, Bipin Chowdhury would drop in at Kali Charan's in New Market to buy books. Now, every Monday, प्रत्येक सोमवार को on his way back from work, अपने काम से वापस आने के समय Bipin Chowdhury would drop in. मैंने he used to get in where? Kali Charan's New Market to buy books. So there is a book shop in New Market, that is in Calcutta. Okay, Calcutta's New Market. The books shop's name is Kali Charan's. For what he was going there? To buy books. Crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. Now, what kind of books he used to buy to read? Crime stories, ghost stories. Crime means कुछ crime हो गया, उसके बारे में कुछ पता करने वाला कुछ stories, and then ghost, भूत के बारे में कुछ कहानी, and thrillers. These are the 3 types of books he used to buy every Monday. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. Now, he used to buy 5 books every Monday so that he can finish reading that books within 1 week. He lived alone, was not a good mixer, had few friends and didn't like spending time in idle chat. Now, he lived alone, अकेले रहते थे. Was not a good mixer, सबसे मिलजुल के रहने वाला व्यक्ति नहीं था. Had few friends, very few कम दोस्त थे उसके पास. And didn't like spending time in idle chat. और हम लोग Bipin Chowdhury फालतू बातें करके समय बिताना उसको पसंद नहीं था. Idle chat means unnecessary routine talk. Okay. Today at Kalicharan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. Now, this Monday when he went, that he felt that somebody is watching me. Observing means watching. Watching me very closely. Somebody is looking at me very closely. He turned round and found himself looking at a round-faced, meek-looking man who now broke into a smile. So now he found that somebody is looking at him, and his description. कैसे उसको describe किया है? Face, round face, okay, and meek-looking man, very humble, and now broke into a smile. Now that fellow started smiling at Bipin Chowdhury. I don't suppose you recognize me. So that person told Bipin Chowdhury, why you did not recognize me? आपको मुझे पहचाना नहीं है क्या? Have we met before? Asked Bipin Babu. So Bipin Chowdhury is asking that fellow, क्या हम लोग इसके पहले कहीं मिले हैं क्या? The man looked greatly surprised. So the fellow who met Bipin, he was really shocked. We met every day for whole week. Now, एक हफ्ता हम लोग रोज मिलते थे. I arranged for a car to take you to the Hudru Falls, and then I arranged for you a car to take you to Hudru Falls, on water falls, in 1958. So ये सब कब हुआ था? 1958 में. In Ranchi. Where? In Ranchi. My name is Parimal Ghosh. So that fellow who met Bipin Chowdhury, he is introducing himself that my name is Parimal Ghosh. Ranchi. So हम लोग Bipin Chowdhury is thinking what? Ranchi. Now Bipin Babu realized that it was not he but this man who was making a mistake. Now Bipin Chowdhury is thinking that it is not me but that fellow is making a mistake, telling that I have seen you. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. Now Bipin Chowdhury is telling, I have never gone to Ranchi at all. He had been at the point of going several times but never made it. But Bipin Chowdhury had a desire. He had a desire to go to Ranchi, but he could not make it up. He smiled and said, do you know who I am? So now Bipin Chowdhury is asking that fellow, do you know who I am? The man raised his eyebrows. The man means here, who is that man? Parimal Ghosh. Raised his eyebrows, bit his tongue and said, do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Chowdhury? So now Parimal Ghosh is asking, now who don't know about you, about Chowdhury? So this much we will see today. So you can read the lesson, how much I have taken today. You can read, and then we will see in the next class. Okay. Till then, go through the lesson, read the lesson carefully, learn the spelling, and then we shall see in the next class. Okay. Thank you, students.